Welcome to the Android Development course for beginners. This course includes everything you need to know about Android development in 2021. So, why we should start learning Android development? There are a few reasons. The first one is it is an open source technology. So, we will get all the tools for the free of cost. There is a huge marketplace called as Google Play Store where developers can publish n number of applications, and developers has been paid high, so anyone who can develop Android applications can earn a good amount of money, and it's easy to learn. There are many resources are available on the internet for the free of cost, and I think these four reasons makes a lot of sense to learn Android development. Types of mobile development. It is broadly categorized into three types: native apps, web apps, and hybrid apps. Native apps, also known as core applications, and it is highly customizable applications. Then there are web applications. To develop web applications, generally developer use web technologies. And the third one is hybrid apps, which are the combination of native applications and web applications. In this course, primarily we will learn native applications. Now let's discuss about prerequisite for this course. At the bottom of pyramid, willingness to learn. It is one of the most important thing to learn anything. Then you should have one laptop and Android device and some basic knowledge of Kotlin programming language. Even if you don't know anything about Kotlin programming language, then nothing to worry about it. I am suggesting this video, which is 3 hours long. Just you can check the link in the description section, and by using this video you can learn basics of Kotlin in 3 hours. It's enough for the theory part. Let's make our hands dirty by installing Android Studio. To download Android Studio, just type download Android Studio in the Google and then press enter button. Here you can see there are many links. So open the first link, and this is the official website to download Android Studio. Here you can see there is a button called download Android Studio, and it has correctly detected my operating system. And if we scroll at the bottom, you can see these different information is mentioned regarding Android Studio and its features. But for now we are going to download the Android Studio by hitting that download Android Studio button. Before that, read these terms and conditions. After satisfying those conditions, agree with them and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Shortly it will start downloading exe file of Android Studio, and after downloading the Android Studio exe we will install it, and then we will be ready to learn Android development. For the very first day it is going to consume a lot of internet data, so bear with that. Once the downloading is finished, then we will go to the download folder, and after going to the download folder, here we can see exe file of Android Studio. Just right click on it, and after that click on run administrator. Then it will start installing the Android Studio for us. wait for some moment. And after after this we can see some prompt like this. So hit that next button, and then there are two options for Android Studio and Android Virtual Device. So hit next, and then for the installation location, here also hit next and click on install button finally. So the installation process has begun, and just hold on, it will take some time. And if all this process is doesn't make a sense to you, then this is totally acceptable. So don't worry about that. Eventually you will learn everything. And here you can see the installation process is just about to finish. Yeah, installation is completed, and hit that next button and click on finish. Now here you can see splash screen of Android Studio. It means Android Studio is started, and it is finding available SDK components and checking required stuff, and it is showing missing SDK. It means there is no SDK. So by clicking next we will install SDK components. So click on those SDK components and click on next button, and then by verifying settings click on finish. Then it will start downloading SDK components for you. Now downloading components has finished, and you can see Android SDK is up to date. Now we can open new project in Android Studio, and this is the home screen of Android Studio where you can see different menus. And for now we are going to create a new Android Studio project. So click on create new project, and on the top you can see different menus like phone and tablet, Wear OS for smartwatches, Android TV for Android TVs, automotive and Android things. But for now, since we are working with Android phones, we will select phone and tablets, and there are different templates. So we are going to click empty activity and then next. So this is the name of our Android application. For now I will keep as default, and this is the package name, and it should be unique for every application. Then there is a location of our Android Studio project, and after that there is a option of two languages. There is a language Java and Kotlin, but nowadays Kotlin is popular, so we will select Kotlin. And if you are not familiar with Kotlin, then you can check this popular course which is Kotlin in 3 hours, and link is in the description section. Then click on this finish button. After clicking on finish button, it will open the new project, and it will take some time to configure all these files, Gradle build, scanning the file indexes. So it will take a lot of time for the very first time. So let's wait for some moment. I think it is downloading some Gradle components also. Okay, so once everything is finished, this is the project view, and we will learn in detail about every view and every menu of Android Studio in detail. This is the palette menu where every widget like text, buttons, or we can say widgets, everything is available in this palette menu. And this is the component tree. Whatever the things are visible in the screen, it can be seen from here. And this is the attribute menu on the right side. This is the code view of our activity. And if you want to see design, then this is the design. And by split view we can see code and design at the same time. Okay, so at the top right side you can see one mobile and Android little symbol called as AVD manager. It means Android virtual device manager. Here we will create one new virtual device where we can directly install our Android apps. And for now I'm selecting Pixel 3a XL because it is the latest device with good configurations. Then click on next button. After clicking on next button, it is saying to download the components. Okay, so we will click on the download button, and after clicking download button, it will start downloading the image and other components. Before that we need to accept the license agreement. Okay, so after accepting the license it will start downloading. So let's wait for some moment. Once the download is finished, click on this finish button, and then let's wait for some moment to refresh the downloaded image. And now I think our virtual device is created on which we can install our application. For now, okay, just click on finish button, everything is ready. This video was all about how to install Android Studio, and we have installed Android Studio successfully. Now we are going to run our default application on emulator. If this doesn't make sense to you, then it is also totally okay. From the next video we are going to learn everything in depth. So just hit that run button and it will start the emulator. Okay, so how this application is built, what is the code behind it, we will learn everything from the basics, so don't worry about that. And now you can see emulator has been started, and shortly the application will be installed into this emulator. Here you can see the Android app has been installed. So that's it for this video, and today we learned how to install Android Studio. If you like this video, then hit that like button and let me know in the comment section. Even if you didn't like this video, then please let me know constructive feedback in the comment section to improve my content. Have a good day. See you in the next video.